Hello, this is Ed Burke, PlaceForTraders.com for Friday, June 5th. Starting off in the June Mini S&P. In my last video, I talked about the pivot level for Thursday of 934 even. Above 934 even in the June Mini S&P was considered bullish for Thursday. Below 934 even was considered bearish. I had the first line of resistance up at 945 even. The first line of support down at 921.25. Now, these are 15-minute bars. The regular trading session opened here just barely above the pivot level. You could see the market then turned bearish very soon after the open, going down to 928 even. When we're trading under the pivot level, I send messages out to people, look to get short the market. Right after I sent the messages out, I got caught on that when the market rallied back over the pivot level. Obviously, I said to people I was wrong. The market's now in the bullish mode. I also stated that it looks like we might see a rather choppy day. I didn't like how the market in that time frame was traded on both sides and was flopping on both sides of the pivot level. That, in my opinion, is choppiness. That's exactly what you do not want. Obviously, there was some choppiness. The market started above the pivot level, went below, went back above, then went below in the first half of the day. I did send messages out later on in the day, in the afternoon, that the market was staying above the pivot level. The market might finish in a bullish mode, and went a little bit higher. Nothing really to write home about. The market settled at 940.5. Like I said, in my opinion, a rather choppy, small range day. The high of the day stayed below the first line of resistance. The low of the day stayed well above that first line of support. I think the market was rather subdued before Friday's unemployment number. I'm looking at the pivot level for Friday. The market settled at 940.5. We need to stay above 937.75 for a bullish market. Below 937.75 is considered bearish. I have the first line of resistance up at 945.75. The second line of resistance up at 951.25. For support, I'm looking at the first level of support for Friday, 932.25. The second level of support down at 923 even. Of course, numbers that come out 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. You have non-farm payrolls for the month of May. The expectation is for a loss of 525,000 jobs. Also, the unemployment rate is expected to go up a little bit to 9.2%. Then at 2 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time, you have consumer credit. The expectation is for a negative $6 billion. That's all I have for this evening. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't gone to my website as of yet, it's PlaceForTraders.com. You can go on there and sign up for the free alerts. Thanks a lot and good trading.